Finding the best glass air fryer can feel overwhelming when you want healthy cooking, easy cleaning, and safe materials that fit real US kitchens. The direct answer is this: the best glass air fryer offers clean visibility, even heat, and fewer worries about coatings, which makes everyday meals simpler and more reliable. From my own cooking experience, glass baskets help me monitor food without opening the fryer, which saves time and keeps results consistent. After testing different air fryers over time and understanding what actually works for busy households, I know what features matter most. Let me share what I've learned so you can choose the right one with confidence. And all product links in description, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Number 7. Elite Gourmet EAF2305 Glass Air Fryer. This glass air fryer feels like a smart pick for simple, healthy cooking without clutter. I like the clear glass bowl because I can see food crisp up in real time, which helps avoid guesswork. The 2.4 quart size works well for singles or couples, especially in small US kitchens or apartments. Controls are fully manual, which I personally enjoy. You set the time and temperature, and it just works. The ceramic-coated rack releases food easily and feels safer than plastic baskets. Wings, shrimp, and veggies come out evenly cooked with very little oil. It also heats up fast for quick meals. The included recipes are helpful for beginners. The main limitation is capacity, since it's not built for large families. Still, for visibility, control, and clean cooking, it's a reliable glass air fryer for everyday use. Number 6. NutriChef Air Fryer. This NutriChef Air Fryer feels like a solid all-rounder when you want size and flexibility in one unit. I like how simple it is to use. You load the food, set the time and temperature, and let it work. The large 13+ quart bowl stands out. It easily handles family meals, wings, fries, or even ribs without crowding. The wide temperature range gives more control than many basic air fryers, especially for grilling or baking. I've found the infrared convection heat cooks food evenly and keeps the inside moist while still getting that crisp outside. It's also nice not having to preheat or thaw frozen foods, which saves time on busy days. Cleanup is easier than deep frying, and there's no oil mess. The trade-off is size. It needs counter space. Still, for versatility and healthier cooking, it's a practical choice. Number 5. Aroma Glass Air Fryer. This Aroma Glass Air Fryer is great when you want simple cooking and full visibility. I really enjoy being able to watch food crisped inside the glass pot. It helps avoid overcooking, which is useful for beginners. The 360 CRISPi heat cooks fast, so fries and wings finish quicker than expected. The 3-quart size feels just right for couples, dorm rooms, or small US apartments where counter space matters. I like the dial control because it keeps things stress-free. You just turn it and cook. Cleanup is another win. The glass bowl is non-toxic and easy to wash, even in the dishwasher. Food tastes clean with no plastic smell. The design also looks nice on the counter with its gold logo. The downside is capacity. It's not built for families. Still, for quick meals and healthier snacks, it's a solid choice. Number 4. NutriChef 5.8 Quart Air Fryer. This NutriChef Air Fryer feels like a solid everyday option for simple, reliable cooking. I like how the presets cover the basics like fries, wings, fish, and steak, so I don't have to guess settings after a long day. The 5.8 quart size works well for small families or meal prep without feeling bulky on the counter. Heating is quick thanks to the 1200-watt power, and food cooks evenly with the 360-degree airflow. I also appreciate the clear window and LED touchscreen. It's nice to check progress without opening the basket. Cleanup is easy since the tray is non-stick and dishwasher safe. Safety features like auto shutoff add peace of mind. The compact stainless steel design fits smaller kitchens well. The temperature tops out at 390 degrees Fahrenheit, which is enough for most foods, but not the highest. Overall, it's practical, easy, and dependable. Number 3. Big Boss 16-quart extra-large glass air fryer. The Big Boss 16-quart extra-large glass air fryer is built for big meals and busy kitchens. I like how the glass bowl lets me see food cook without opening the lid. That helps avoid overcooking. The 16-quart size is a huge win for families. I've cooked chicken, veggies, and sides at the same time using the 3 cooking levels. The 360 convection heat gives food a crisp finish with little oil, which feels great for everyday meals. I also appreciate that it's Teflon-free and made without forever chemicals. That adds peace of mind. The auto clean function saves time, especially after greasy foods. Controls are simple and easy to learn. The downside is size. It needs counter space and feels bulky. Still, for large batches and healthy cooking, it performs reliably. Number 2. Fritaire Non-Toxic Air Fryer. The Fritaire Non-Toxic Air Fryer feels different the moment you use it. I love the full glass bowl because I can see food cook from every angle without opening anything. It takes the guesswork out. The non-toxic build really matters to me. No BPA, no Teflon, no PFAS. That peace of mind is huge for everyday family meals. The rotisserie and tumbling basket are fun but also practical. Fries cook evenly without shaking, and a whole chicken roasts hands-free. Cleanup is where this air fryer shines. The self-cleaning feature actually works. Add water, a little soap, press a button, and you're done. The presets are simple and useful for air frying, roasting, and reheating. The glass bowl is a bit heavy, and it takes some counter space. Still, for clean cooking and easy care, it's a standout choice. Number 1. Ninja CRISPi Portable Air Fryer. The Ninja CRISPi Portable Air Fryer feels built for modern, flexible cooking. I like how easy it is to move and set up. You can cook anywhere there's a plug, which is great for small apartments, dorms, or shared kitchens. The glass containers are a big highlight. There's no PFAS, and I can see food crisp as it cooks. That helps avoid overdoing meals. I've used both container sizes, and the swap system works well. The larger bowl handles family dinners, while the smaller one is perfect for quick lunches. Air frying and re-crisping leftovers both work fast and evenly. Cleanup is simple, since everything goes in the dishwasher. I also like serving straight from the bowl and storing leftovers with the lid. The trade-off is the footprint of the Power Pod. Still, for portability and clean cooking, it's a smart choice. Final verdict. After testing all these glass air fryers, my top pick is the Ninja CRISPi Portable Air Fryer. It combines portability, versatility, and safety with its PFAS-free glass containers. The swap system with 2 container sizes makes it perfect for both family meals and quick lunches, while the clear glass helps you monitor cooking without opening the fryer. Cleanup is effortless, and air frying results are consistently crisp and delicious. If you want a premium option focused on clean, hands-free cooking, the Fritaire non-toxic air fryer is excellent. Its full glass bowl, rotisserie, tumbling basket, and self-cleaning feature make meal prep stress-free and safe for everyday family use. Check the description link for current prices and more details, and pick the air fryer that fits your style and kitchen best.